And welcome. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of knitting, especially for beginners and self-learners. Are you ready to ditch the confusion and embrace the cozy craft? Let's get started. First, gather your supplies. You'll need knitting needles, usually a pair, the size depending on your yarn. Speaking of yarn, choose a smooth, light-colored yarn to begin. It makes it easier to see your stitches. Also, grab a pair of scissors and a tapestry needle. That's a blunt needle used for weaving in ends. Now, let's learn the basic cast-on. There are several methods, but the long tail cast-on is popular. It's a bit more advanced, but it creates a nice edge. First, measure a tail of yarn about 3 times the length you want your finished cast-on to be. Make a slip knot, place it on one needle, and you've started. Hold the yarn in your left hand, with the long tail over your thumb and the yarn from the ball over your index finger. Insert the needle under your thumb's loop, then over the index finger. Yarn, and pull the loop through. Slip the new loop onto the needle. Tighten it and repeat until you have the desired number of stitches on your needle. Next up, the knit stitch. This is the foundation of most knitting. Hold the needle with the cast-on stitches in your left hand. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand. Needle from front to back. Wrap the yarn around the right hand needle. Then pull it through the stitch on the left needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat this for all the stitches. Congratulations, you've just knitted a row. Now, the purl stitch. Hold your needles as you did for knitting. Bring the yarn to the front of your work. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left hand. Needle from back to front. Wrap the yarn around the right hand needle, and pull it through the stitch. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat across the row. You will now see bumps on the front side of your work. What about mistakes? It happens. Don't panic. You can knit backwards by taking out the last stitch you made. Or, unravel, carefully pull back your work to the point where the mistake occurred. This is a good way to learn, and don't worry about imperfections. They're part of the process. Edge stitches are vital. They prevent your work from curling and give a neat finish. The simplest way is to always knit the first stitch of every row and purl the last stitch of every row. This creates a neat edge. This is called a garter stitch edge. Once you're comfortable, try simple patterns like scarves or dishcloths. Patterns will tell you how many stitches to cast on and how to work the knit and purl stitches. Don't be afraid to experiment, and enjoy the process. Knitting is a relaxing and rewarding craft. Happy knitting, everyone!